So if you recall, the 0 here was the intercept and the 0 here was the intercept. You plotted your points, you looked at like how quick it went down. We did it here. Looked at how quickly it went down. Okay, flip to the back. We're gonna do the 3 that we skipped on Friday. We're here. If you don't have it, just take notes on paper. Actually, everyone's gonna need their notebook out anyway to write a few things down. So the directions for intercepts like really aren't that informative. It would be better if when they said X and Y intercepts, they went ahead and told you that one of the values was 0. Intercepts have zeros. You need to write this down again, unless you know it. Unless you know it in your heart and soul, write this down again. For the x-intercept, let's put it in your notebook. For the x-intercept, the y value is 0. For the y-intercept, the x value is 0. There's not a whole lot more I want you to take away from today's lesson than this in it. Calvin, take your earbud out. Put it away. So when we come across a problem like this is a linear equation. It has x and y in it. Standard form linear, ax plus by equals c. There's a process to find intercepts. We don't have a table like we did for our word problems. So we'll use this fact. It says find the intercepts in graph. Identify the intercepts. So we're going to know that the x-intercepts means y equals 0, and the y-intercept equals x equals 0. This is how I set up your problem every time. If a problem mentions intercepts, think about zeros. So I'm going to take the given equation. I'm going to take the y out and put 0 in. And then I'm going to do it again, except I'm going to take the x out and put 0 in. So I'm going to do this equation twice. Replacing the variable with 0. Take the y out, replace it with 0. Go ahead. Go ahead and do it. Put a line in here. On this one? 10 days ago. Oh, let's do letter B then. We did letter B too? Let's start with letter B then. X plus 3y equals 3. X plus 3 times 0 equals 3. 0 plus 3 times y equals 3. Solve those two. We'll start with letter B. So you know 3 times 0 is 0. X plus 0 is just x. We get x equals 3. X equals 3. Go ahead and write it as an ordered pair. Pair it with the 0. So this will be 3, 0. Plot it. For the y-intercept, it's 3y equals 3. To get y alone, you would divide. You get y equals 1. And then write it as an ordered pair. Put the 0 in that you used to find the 1. And these are your two intercepts. Any 2 points will graph your line. is actually easier, but it's just so many people just cannot figure it out. It's actually more basic. Kenzie. There's no X. It's missing an X. Missing X means no x-intercept. If there's no x in the equation, there's no x-intercept. So I'm going to just look at what I know. I know y is 2. Here's my dot. Y is 2. This is a point, though. It's not a line. The point where y equals 2, or the line where y equals 2, would have all the points. So like right here, y is 2, and here, y is 2, and all along here, y is 2. And same over here on the negative side, y is 2. So I'm just going to connect all of those. And this is what y is 2 looks like. If there's no x, it is a flat line. What people call that no slope. Have you guys heard that before? It's like Florida. There's no slope to it. It's just flat. We don't have any mountains. All right, so that's A, B, and C from your handout Friday. We're gonna I want to see your work from Friday in your workbook. It's page 35. So open your blue workbook to page 35. I want everybody in this room to have this done. It's like the easiest thing we do. So even if we weren't here, get out your workbook and do it. Even if you didn't do it right now. It is the easiest thing we do.